Say hello to the new. The new Gavril Barstow Airlines. Now, it might not look like a plane or an airline to you, but we got a certified pilot here. His name is Joey.
Hello, I am Joey.
And today he is going to be our test pilot.
Wait, what?
Shut up. Let's get started.
Please, nitrogen. I did not agree to this.
Get in, Joey.
Help me. I guess where this starts. I am thinking and going to fly. H. This is very, very wonky. Oh my god. UHO no. This is the end. Butter.
I think he died.